Hello guys, if you are interested to buy a microphone and you don't know which microphone do you buy and which is the best for you, then this video I will show you the best microphone you will get in the market now and you will be shocked with its result. So if you are interested, stick with me. The best microphone you can get in the market in the best price range, its price is $19, and yes, it's pretty good. You can hear the sound right now. BOYA-BY-MI is an omnidirectional lavalier microphone perfect for videos use, designed for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorder, PC, etc. The lavalier microphone features an omnidirectional pickup pattern for full 360-degree coverage and integrated with 6-meter 20-inch cable with 3.5 mm 4-pole gold plug can connect directly to smartphone and most of the cameras. So if you are looking for a cheap microphones and if you want to upgrade your videos, so then you need to buy this microphone and you will be shocked with its result. So thank you for watching, and if you want anything, so just comment down below and I will be dealing with your comment. So every week I come with 2 videos, so just hit that notification bell and you will learn new something. So thank you for watching and peace off.